Imagine turning three $800 gigs into a $6,000 monthly retainer without cold calling a single startup. That's exactly what one freelance copywriter did by packaging past work the right way. Welcome to Nomad High Income Skills, episode 142. I'm Aria Reyes. Today you'll learn exactly how to build a case study factory so you can attract better clients and build sustainable high income. If you're fed up with low-rate gigs or endless prospecting, listen closely. Most nomads already have the evidence they need tucked away in old invoices, Slack threads, and dusty drive folders. The trick isn't finding new proof. It's turning the proofs you already own into persuasive case stories that open doors to retainers. I'm going to give you a compact, travel-friendly system you can run in under 3 hours. You'll walk away with a repeatable flow. Harvest the facts, reframe them into defensible narratives, and send short, high-intent outreach that qualifies quickly. And yes, there's a 30-minute action you can do right after this episode. Okay, real steps now. First, harvest. Spend 30 to 60 minutes on one past project and pull 3 things: one clear metric, one line of context, and a one-sentence permission ask. One metric, one context line, one permission sentence. Short and usable. Want a quick win? Start with a project you actually remember. You'll save time. Choose 3 projects in the same industry or targeting the same outcome if possible. That makes the narrative more persuasive because you can show a repeatable solution, not random wins. A short ethical note before you draft anything. Always ask permission and never invent numbers. If a client is sensitive, offer a co-branded or anonymized version and send them the draft for approval. That protects relationships and keeps your claims defensible. Next, reframe with AI, but don't be lazy. Use AI as a drafting assistant. I usually ask for 2 outputs per project, one short elevator case and one longer narrative. The elevator case is a tight 60 to 90 word payoff that highlights outcome-first language. The narrative is 250 to 350 words, problem, approach, and measurable impact. Here's a prompt you can paste into your model right now. Turn these notes into 2 drafts. Create one 75-word elevator case that focuses on outcome and one 300-word narrative that covers problem, approach, and impact. Use factual, defensible language and include a suggested client quote placeholder. Notes. Insert your metrics and context. Then edit. Always edit. When you edit, do 3 quick checks. Confirm numbers, add a short client quote or placeholder, and replace any sweeping claims with specifics. If AI writes revenue skyrocketed, change that to revenue increased by X% over Y months, or remove it. Defensible language wins trust. Now outreach. Keep sequences short. Lead with the elevator case. Open with a one-line hook that references a specific signal, a blog post get published, a product launch, a funding note. Then paste the elevator case and finish with a single low-friction ask, a 20-minute call to explore whether this approach can scale for them. Follow with 2 asynchronous touches over 10 days, one quick value add, and one short case attachment. Qualification happens on the call or in a focused email exchange. Short sequences, focused qualification, and selective follow-up. That's how you protect time and keep momentum. Remember Jamie, the copywriter from the cold open? Here's the how. She pulled 3 related projects, captured an open rate lift and a 12% conversion bump, and labeled the combined result as improved lead velocity. She used the elevator case as the opener, targeted startups launching paid plans, and booked 2 calls. One call became a $6,000 per month retainer to own messaging across channels. Packaging made those small wins look like a reliable system. Scaling without burning out is simple in principle. Batch work, reuse templates, and budget your energy. Block 1 harvesting hour each week. Reuse the AI prompts and elevator templates instead of rewriting them. Limit live discovery calls to a single block each week so your calendar doesn't run you. I know, templates sound boring, but they free you to do the high-value stuff. Your energy budget might look like this: 2 outreach blocks, 1 discovery call block, and 1 content update block per week. If something doesn't fit, defer it. Your skills are your freedom currency. Don't spend them all chasing clients. All right, the 30-minute action. Set a timer and do this sequence. Minute 0 to 5, grab 1 project and write 3 bullets. 1 metric, 1 context line, 1 client goal. Minutes 5 to 20, paste the bullets into the prompt I gave and generate the elevator case plus a 300-word draft. Minutes 20 to 30, tighten the elevator case to a single sharp sentence, craft a 1-line personalized hook for a prospect, and draft the permission message you'll send the client. That's a pitch-ready asset in 30 minutes. Before you send anything, double-check numbers, ask permission, and be honest. If a client prefers anonymity, anonymize and deliver the draft for approval. Over-polished copy can feel fake. Prefer clarity and facts over flash. If you want the exact harvest checklist, the precise AI prompts I use, 2 elevator case templates, and 3 outreach sequences tailored to founders, marketing leads, and product teams, I bundled them into a short mini course. Tap the link in the episode notes, download the harvest checklist. It takes 2 minutes to open, and you'll be ready to run your first cycle in under 30 minutes. Quick recap. Don't chase brand new proof. Harvest what you already did. Reframe it into 2 tight narratives using AI as a drafting tool, and run short, hyper-personalized outreach that qualifies fast. Track 3 wins this week: 1 harvested case, 1 outreach sent, 1 discovery call booked. That's measurable progress. That's your high-income blueprint for today. Take 1 action this week and start seeing results. Your skills are your freedom currency. Charge what you're worth and build income that supports your lifestyle, not destroys your health. I'll see you tomorrow with another practical system for scaling remotely. Goodbye for now.